Whānau, this award goes to Best Performance, Te Ahi Ka. Drum roll, please. And the award goes to Tūranga Mahutonga. Late.
Sunshine with my days. Hello.
Would you say that your movie gave us a little bit of insight to how you are? You're a bit late all the time.
Well, yes, I am. I'm gonna be honest. I try not to be, but I just always wake up late, I guess.
Well, you know, we all are late sometimes. I feel like a very relatable film.
Yeah.
One of my favourites.
Oh.
All the different scenes for it.
We break him down. So we had the house scene, the wake up scene, so we didn't find out he's late, and then we just pick another scene where he's doing all the parkouring and action sequence.
Hurting himself nearly.
Yeah, and then that's another category. That's the scene where he hurts himself. Oh! 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 And then the interview scene.
Hi, come for a job interview.
Okay, so what was the name?
Mangere.
And we just break them all up, and then we just start from here, go down.
Because it's like a lot goes into making a film that people don't know, eh?
Yeah.
So how hard was it for you?
Oh,
Or
wow.
was it easy?
Well, I mind you, that was my second time making a short film, so
Oh, yeah.
I guess I was used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, mind you, it's actually quite hard working with different new people you don't know. It's not hard, it's you got to get used to it.
Yeah.
To get used to working with people you don't know. So I've only just met my crew member like not long ago, and I had to work with him. So yeah.
I think they played really well. Like it was kind of like awkward in the car, and like that was cool.
Yeah.
That scene. But how many takes did it take you to get your diving shots? Because it seemed pretty dangerous. One take,
For the parkour sequence, I had to do all of it repeatedly.
Oh wow, so you took a couple of tries there.
So first try, we have this angle, and then I obviously had to do it again with another angle.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah,
that's a lot of mahi put into it, eh?
Yeah, well, I'm a fit young man, so I'm fine. And I used to do parkour when I was younger.
Oh, okay, so you've got a bit of
A
experience.
bit of experience.
What e tū whānau value does your film portray the most?
E tū whānau, the value, I feel like it goes under tikanga.
I
all
would say the same.
Oh,
Yeah.
all the being late, you gotta find the tikanga, you gotta get it time,
You gotta get it right.
come on time. Yeah, so I feel like it goes under tikanga. Don't be late.
Those are the rules, eh?
Those are the rules.
The rules we follow.
Koe ranga tikanga, me whaia.
How are you celebrating your success today?
I'm going to buy me munchies.
Oh!
And then go home and watch Netflix in bed.
Sounds like a me thing to do. I
'Cause-
think I'd probably do that too.
Because I'm doing all this running, I deserve a rest.
Yeah, you do.
Tūranga mahutonga tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no te aroa, Ngāti Whakaue, me Taranaki. I won the award for Best Performance. I was in the film called Late.